Hi everyone and welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. This is our inspo for today and Reme is going to be showing you just how to do it. We're going to start off with Powder Puff, which is a beautiful colour from our nude range. You want to pop a coat of this all over the nail to begin. After you've cured your first coat, you want to go in with a second coat and then cure that again. Okay, so now is the fun bit. So we're going to get all of our colours together on our palette. We're going to use Courtesan. We are also going to use Clover, and we are going to be using this absolutely stunning blue Summer Sky, one of my personal favourites. Now Reme is just going to pop a little bit of each colour onto her palette to start. And look how stunning these colours are. The pigments are beautiful. Such good coverage, and they always come out exactly how they look on the website, which is great when you're looking for new shades. She's also going to use a little bit of Snow White here as well. And then using Summer Sky, we are going to begin by adding our tip. So you want to create a nice deep smile line now. Now that that is curing, we are going to go in with a medium-sized dotting tool, which you can find on the website, linked in the description box. And we are going to take Courtesan, which is our beautiful red shade, and begin the Love Heart Cherries. So we're going to create the cherries now, and what you want to do is create 2 dots next to each other like Reme is showing you here. We are going to do 2 Love Heart Cherries today, so we're going to be doing 4 dots. You want to do this to begin your cherry design, and then going in with a fine nail art brush, you are going to then join those 2 dots together and drag them down. Not in a traditional cherry shape, we are doing Love Heart Cherries today, because why not? This is one of our lovely, fine, long, detailed nail art brushes as well, also linked in the description box, which you can find over on the website. And now Reme is going to begin by popping a little line between both circles and joining them together to create a lovely little heart shape. Now that that is curing, we are going to take Clover with the same thin liner brush, and you are going to create the stem for the cherries. One is going to come from the center of one of the cherries and the other in the opposite direction from the other cherry. Make sure that one of the lines goes over the top of the previous line. Then you're going to want to go to the left or the right to create a little stem leaf. So the next step is going to be highlight. You are going to want to use the Snow White shade to create small lines on either side of the cherry love hearts. This is a really key part and an important part of nail art when you want to create a more effective and more realistic look. Again, Reme has absolutely smashed this look. We are basically finished now apart from top coat. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this tutorial. I found it super easy to do, very beginner friendly and really effective. So like I said earlier, get your top coat from Naio Nails and you're going to pop a layer of that all over your nail once it's finished. Cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds and then you are done. Remember to check out the description box for any products that you would like to purchase following this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and we will see you again in the next one. Thank you, Reme, for that gorgeous design, and we will be back with another one. Goodbye!